everyone, welcome to the channel of Kanak Info Systems. In today's video, I will show you how to install Odoo 19 on Windows step by step. So let's get started. First, we need to install Python. So go to the python.org and here download Python version 3.10 or higher. Here I am using 3.12 for the 64-bit window. Now open the installer. Here you make sure check the add python.exe to the path. Click on customize installation. Click on next. Install. Okay. Now our next step is to install the Postgres SQL. That's the database which Odoo use. So visit the Postgres and here I download version 17. Run the installer. Click on next. Next, here you make sure you check all the components. Click on next. Next, here you need to provide a password for the database. Click on next. Here this is the port of the database. Click on next. Here you need to select your localization location. Click on next. Next. Click on next. Now finish. It open the stack builder. Select Postgres. Click on next. Here you make sure the install all the database driven. Check all the checkbox under the database driver. Click on next. Next. Click on next. Now it will install all the database driver one by one. Okay. Now open pgadmin. Install the Odoo 70. Here expand the server. Here we install Postgres 17 which is show. Enter the password. Now we create a user by clicking right click on login group roles. Create here in a general tab, give a name. In definition tab, enter the password. In privileges tab, check all the points to give access to the user. Now save. Now we install Odoo 19 code from the GitHub repository of the official Odoo. Go to the GitHub page. Here you need to copy this URL and clone this code to the specific server, and make sure you have a Git installed in your system. Git clone hyphen hyphen deft one hyphen hyphen branch. Here you need to provide a branch name and paste that URL here. Okay, now here in that folder we see the Odoo's folder. It has all the add-ons of Odoo 19 of Community Edition. Here we rename it to 19.0 for further process. Now we will set up our environment in the PyCharm. So for the PyCharm download, you need to go to the official website of PyCharm and download from Community Edition. Here I have already downloaded PyCharm in my system. Here now select the extracted Odoo 19 folder. Now we add a virtual environment for this project. Click on settings. Here in a Python tab, click on interpreter. Here there is no interpreter right now. We add our interpreter. Here choose your 3.12 Python version and click on OK. Okay. Click on OK. Now we add a odoo.config file in this 19.0 folder. We create a new file with name odoo.conf. Odoo.config file. Here there is admin password, host is localhost, db port is your Postgres port, db user which we create and here is your db password, and here your add-on file of this 19.0's add-ons folder, this path. Okay, now we create a configuration for running this folder. Go to this current file, in edit configuration. Here click on add new. Here in a Python you need to provide some name. Select 3.12 version. Here in a script add this 19.0's folder which you need to run. Here in a script parameter you need to provide the -c, this file. Now click on OK. Now we install all the required packages to run this 19 in. Go to the terminal. Here it automatically activate this virtual environment which we create here. The 19 folder has the requirement.txt file. This packages we install by using the pip install -r requirement.txt. Okay. Now, now finally we can run Odoo in PyCharm by clicking on a run button or in a terminal by writing command python Odoo bin. It will run the default port localhost 8069. Here, now you need to provide a master password, the database name, email. Here, if you want to add a demo data inside the Odoo, you check this checkbox and click on create database. And that's it. You have successfully installed the Odoo 19 in Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the more Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching.